This is the best Nereo seed I've ever seen. This is a really tough species to grow. We grow kelp as a means of combating climate change. Mother Nature creates a highly dynamic environment when you are trying to grow something.
Kelp is not a plant. These organisms are really sensitive to changes in their environment. So the idea is that if we do our job right, we control every step of the process.
We plant more kelp than we can harvest. It creates habitat, it's sequestering CO2, it's establishing biodiversity in areas where it didn't exist before. We may be an industrial operation, but it is one where we are investing into the marine environment, and it is very restorative and regenerative. Tree came in at a time when we really needed a partner, but couldn't find the right fit. We have shared values for reforestation, seaforestation.
We've collected every blade of kelp ourselves. We've grown everything ourselves. It's pretty rewarding.